Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, what are the risks of not getting your business registered? Okay. I'm not sure exactly what you're asking me. It could be one of two things. So not registering your business with your state, meaning like forming a business entity like an LLC or a corporation. If you don't do that and the business gets sued, then you get sued and lose, then all of your, not just the business assets could be on the line, but also your personal assets, because by the way you set up your business, it may not be clear where you, the person, ends and you, the business, begins. And so if you lose and they can go for, they get damages, they can go after all your assets to make good on the damage that you allegedly did to them. So by forming a corporation or an LLC, that creates that divide. And by doing that with separate bank accounts, company pays for company, personal pays for personal. If the business gets sued and loses, only the company assets are on the line. Your personal assets, your home, your car, your dog, your stuff, is protected. So that's why an LLC stands for limited liability company. It's to limit your liability when bad things happen. So that's one question you might be asking. The other one I wonder is if you're asking if you should register your business's trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Well, if you don't register your business name, somebody else who's not in your geographic market could use the same name on their business for the same type of services or products that you sell. As long as you two are in separate areas geographically and serving different groups of people from a geographic perspective, that's allowed. And what could happen is that you don't register, but you were using it first. They start using it and then they register. And what would happen is that they would get the rights to use that name on their business everywhere in the U.S. except where you had established your business. It would be like a snow globe dropping over your geographic market. They couldn't come into your market, but you also couldn't expand from your little bubble. So we actually saw that happen with Burger King restaurant. First, Burger King was a mom and pop restaurant, is a mom and pop restaurant. And then the chain came along, started their business, registered the name. So now in the U.S., you can find Burger King fast food restaurants everywhere in the U.S. except in that the original mom and pop Burger King, completely separate, in Mattoon, Illinois, hope I'm saying that properly, and a 20-mile radius around that restaurant. Burger King chain can't go in, but mom and pop can expand. So if they wanted to open a second restaurant, they would have to pick a different name. So regardless of what your actual question was, I hope this has been helpful. Please consult an attorney regarding your specific business's needs so that you actually get legal advice based on your circumstances, not just someone providing legal information on a video. That's all this is. This is not legal advice. Watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. But I thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. I put out new content every week. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.